She looks you in the eyes and says it. "I think we should break up." And everything in you drops. Your mind races, your chest tightens. You want to fix it right now, say something, do something, anything to stop her from walking out. That reaction is exactly what she is watching for. Here is something most men never find out. Sometimes a breakup is not a breakup. Sometimes it is a question, and she is waiting to see how you answer it. Not with words, with who you are. The psychology. Now, before you think this is some calculated game she is running, stop. Most women are not doing this consciously. They are not sitting alone, making a plan. What is actually happening is deeper than that. She has been feeling something shift. Maybe she sensed you pulling back. Maybe attraction started to fade. Maybe something felt off and she could not name it. So her mind does what it is wired to do. It sends a signal, the most powerful signal she has, and she watches what comes back. What she is really asking underneath those 3 words is this: are you solid, or do you fall apart when pressure arrives? Because a woman does not want to give her heart to a man who crumbles the moment things get hard. She wants to know what you are made of, and the only way to find out is to shake the foundation and see what holds. So, what does the wrong response look like? Panic, flooding her phone, begging, breaking down. Every one of those reactions answers her question, and the answer it gives her is, he is not ready. That is when a test becomes a real ending. But here is what changes everything. When you stay calm. When you give her space without disappearing into anxiety. When you keep living your life without making her the only thing holding you together. She feels something she did not expect to feel: respect. And behind that respect, attraction starts to rebuild. She begins to wonder why you are not chasing, why you seem okay, and that curiosity pulls her back towards you. Not every breakup is a test. Sometimes she means it. You will feel the difference when there's no warmth left underneath the distance, when she has already stopped caring how you respond. That is a real ending. But when she is still there, still watching, still waiting, she is not ending things. She is asking you to prove that you are worth staying for. The question is never whether she will come back. The question is who she finds when she does.